Straight to Jamaica. Container. Yeah. Container. GT. Straight to Jamaica.
Whoa, we saw that.
Straight to Jamaica.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Terror aka The Reaction. Boom! Back with another video for you guys. Right now we have Guyana. You see me? And I've never made my American friend react to any Guyanese music before. So show yourselves so real quick.
From Ghana, like Ghana, like Ghana, like GH.
Guyana, no, not
Guyana?
Not the African one.
Ah.
Not the African.
What? There's an African
I'm
Ghana?
gonna say my yes, nigga. You don't know about African Ghana?
Mbaya.
Show yourselves so real quick, bro.
What?
What you say?
Man, you got the real Don Dada right here, man. VJ Keys, man.
Really like a titty, bro. Forget that part.
Liddy like a titty,
Okay,
man.
yeah, that's
You know
it.
what I'm saying? It's the real big biscuit in the middle, you know what I'm saying? AKA Mr. Chocolate Drip, AKA Mr. AK-47.
Okay, Mr.
Go back, we want to see she shaking the ass.
That was rude. I don't like that.
She got a boyfriend.
We don't care.
Are you gonna show yourself, bro?
She got
That
a
was
boyfriend,
rude.
I got a map test. We
Can I-
both cheating.
Silent!
You can go big on granny.
It's your boy, Mr.
Look at the cartoon laugh. Look at that.
He said, no, they rob you, Stewie. Silence, I kill you. I approve.
Alright, it's your boy, Mr. Drippy.
Hey, why that sound?
That was Chris.
Yo.
You should have said, hey, it's your boy, Mr. I splash on your bitch. And then you should have did that shit. That was funny. Why do I do that? I don't know. I don't.
It's your boy, Debo Guapo.
That shit funny, bro.
Everybody try this shit now. Anyways, y'all. So this song is called Coke Container.
Is the what? Coke inside of a container?
I don't know.
Coke container. So the container of a Coke.
Is it
No,
starch?
Coke inside of a container.
The container of
Starch in a
Coke.
A
bag.
container of Coke, yeah.
Is it starch in a bag?
Search in the bag.
Stop talking, bro.
This nigga high as
Who's
fuck.
the artist?
Hey,
So the artist is
I know how
called
to make
Drew
food,
and Kush. C Kush. But it's pronounced Kush.
Okay.
Sea
The C silent.
Like seaweed?
No. Let go.
The Jamaica Observer reports that while searching the containers, narcotics police have found a total of 122 packages from Guyana.
We see, man.
And carries an estimated
Damn, how
street
is beer
value
so-
of more than 6.5
like shake?
million US
We
dollars.
pack the food in a container. Send that
Oh,
food
shit,
in
they
a
got the
trailer.
subs so y'all can read. See?
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Hey, go to the explicit version.
Yeah, we need that.
Go to the explicit version.
Yeah, y'all should send me the especially.
Oh, this should be the thumbnail. Perfect thumbnail. There you go.
But that might get you in trouble. Well, I don't know if it will.
It
though.
will, motherfucker. Talking about.
Jamaica
I got black for a week.
Jamaica got a world star.
On me.
Yeah, they do.
Bus one, land two, when the day done. Send the boat down straight to Jamaica. White girl, she bookie. Them girl might swallow 4 key. 11 ton white girl. The ship is scrap
Y'all
metal.
talking your shit, bro. Come on, man. This one
He had,
sounds long as the first.
he had a Rick and Morty hoodie.
On me, I was looking.
How'd he got? Is Rick and Morty in where's this at again?
Guyana.
Rick and Morty's in Guyana? I thought it was like an American thing. I know it's there, but I didn't know it was like big.
Niggas
Them
everywhere.
motherfuckers in Guyana, they're rich as fuck
they
over
China.
there, boy. Ain't gonna tell.
It's in Britain.
No, that's a show though. That's what I'm saying. I didn't think people.
But that show.
Pack the food in a container. Send that food in a trailer. Bus one, land two, when the day done. Send the boat down straight to Jamaica. White girl and she bookie. Them girl might swallow 4 key. 11 ton white girl.
That hoodie
The ship
tough.
is scrap metal in a container.
Ooh.
Container.
Wait, whoa.
Cooking a dope.
Whoa.
She cooking a dope butt ass nigga.
Whoa. Can I? Bro, I miss my laptop, bro. This is the time like these I need my laptop, bro. I could just simply just do like this.
To your
bro.
laptop.
Container. Container. Send that food in a trailer. Container. Straight to Jamaica.
Container, make sure you pack them. You don't want no problem. Only place we left for put the food in is the anthem. So wait, where the plane crash?
Yeah, so the only place that's left to put the food in is the anthem. Like put the food in the national anthem.
They Somali pirates.
Send for a friend. Who ain't for a white cherry skilly bang. One box for the news, 2 land for we sell. Yeah.
Container. Send that food in a trailer. Container. GT, straight to Jamaica. Container.
Okay.
Yeah. Container. GT.
So I just tell them wait, the one know who we got that GRA, yeah. So don't fuck wrong with the links at customs. Link
He
the dark.
can't turn up.
No, he's his name is actually Kush the rapper. He does rap. He did a remix to the Bust It song, bro. That shit hard. It's on the Tyreek Creation. You can go check it out.
Container. GT.
So I just tell them wait, the one know who we got that GRA, yeah. So don't fuck wrong with the links at customs. Link the dark from Boxton.
Belly dog in the belly of the beast like.
Bro, he ain't no more videos for him, bro.
If we all was high doing this shit, bro.
We would never get done with the video.
30 minutes, bro. Oh, we just 5 minutes. We doing good time. Yeah, we make it longer than that. Go there.
We making sure we on point, man.
Let go.
Brunk tape, make it seal tight. Powder for the girl them. In the first year we stash them in a big container.
That was a hard to say.
This video nice.
Wait, whoa.
Container. Powder for the girl them. In the first year we stash them in a big container.
I see flashes, bro. They were shooting that shit.
Container. GT, straight to Jamaica. Container. Yeah. Container. GT, straight to Jamaica.
Whoa, we saw that.
Straight to Jamaica.
She got a boob job. You seen that little scar?
On there. She gonna do a nipple. We gonna go slow motion? I saw a nipple.
This nigga horny. He trying to look at.
This is fast, right?
Yeah,
No, that's slow.
That's slow, yeah.
Let's go right there real quick.
She has a birthmark on the left.
Straight to Jamaica. Container. Yeah. Container. GT, straight to Jamaica.
Come on, some homemade.
Fuck, I missed.
Okay, like a little bit.
You know, grandma, SpongeBob mama.
A little more.
He said a little bit more.
One more. Right there, right. That, bro. That's a birthmark.
Look, she got the same thing on the other one. That's a scar. She got them fake
Them
titties.
bitches done, yeah.
I know fake titties. I seen them before.
That's silicone, bro.
On me, they fake. It's not natural.
That's all gelatin.
Disappointed in the motherfucker, boy.
I have so much faith in
Let's
you.
just look at these jokes for a minute,
That's all
y'all.
gelatin.
On me.
I fuck them the same way. It don't matter if they fake or not.
She won't feel them the same way.
Shit, I put my lips on plastic bottles when I drink water.
Oh my god.
Shit.
I mean,
Plastic titties.
Valid.
No, mom God is not the same. You drinking. You ain't drinking shit with gel.
You know what he look like?
He's sucking the gel.
No, he look like. Go back a little bit. Go back. He look like Sway Lee. What? He do.
the front
he
door.
Look. He don't look like Sway Lee to y'all?
nah, if anything,
Look.
he look like Slim Jimmy.
He don't like.
Slim,
That don't like Sway Lee to y'all?
if
Look
it-
like Nav, stupid.
he look like
That like Sway Lee, bro. He look like a taller
he like
Sway Lee.
he like Shane.
Shane.
Off of Jimmy Neutron.
Bro, stop talking to me, bro. You stop. Play the video, bro. This is-
smoke, bro.
Nah,
Why you put rough? He said rough. That's funny.
Yo. Yeah, that shit does.
Yep. I fuck with that music video. I fuck with
I
that.
like that.
Yeah, they be lit over there in Guyana, though, bro. They be lit as hell. So shout out to my boy, Coach Drew,
wanna know-
and Gully Rash.
You know what? I think I'm going to Guyana, bro.
Pirates.
During the summer.
Which one, Ghana or Guyana? There's Guyana, there's Africa, we
Where
have
did they get
Guyana.
that boat?
Guyana is actually close to America, by the way, so maybe that's
Ask
where
these
it's going.
questions.
Whichever-
We need to know
Got
where
beaches
these
and
boats
shit.
is.
Whichever one got like beaches.
Yeah, this one is close to America, yeah. So y'all showed yourselves already, right? Yeah, you
Showed
did.
our socks?
Show y'all selves already.
Oh, yeah,
y'all
we did.
that, yeah. So it's been about Terry Blocks, aka The Reaction Boss. Tell this nigga to upload the fucking video where I knocked his ass out. Yeah, he ain't got shit to say now.
I do got something to say.
Say.
Just upload it.
These. Nah, let me finish. These Mongolian monkey balls.
Here's the video, bro.
yeah.